or you can eventually make less, but the reason you are going to do it is because we are going to make it happen for you, regardless of whether you are going to decide to participate or not. Therefore, your decision here is just one. You are in or you are out. If you don't know who I am, you can search on the web. You can visit our website. You can study my public track record in the markets for the past 3 decades. Here with ROKU ahead of earnings. So we informed the users that we upgraded the share price at $55 ahead of earnings, and the reason is rather simple. We do not see any reason whatsoever for ROKU to continue crashing. Okay, so we consider that in fact the company, for example, this quarter has eventually a good environment to beat earnings, and therefore those that they buy shares at $55, in my opinion, they are likely to get good profit, since once the company reports, and if report something mild, it does not have to be extraordinary, it will be normal the share price to or to see a gap to the upside, and in that case the buyers will step in. So if you want to go or to be long the stock through earnings, it is precisely on our upgrade at $55. Having said this, you see here on the right hand side, today the share price closed at $58.20, and after hours it is up. Okay, the reason is rather simple, my friends, is that you were informed about this several times, in fact, and today the algorithm changed the rating, which you had access to, and for those that they paid for the earnings forecast, I'm not going to be short the stock, because what I was looking for, not only me, what we were looking for, we already accomplished it, and I don't see any reason to remain short the stock after the share price collapsed. Moreover, the action on in ROKU, it is seen as positive, and the share price plunged for our own benefit and the benefit of everyone here short the stock. I remind that ahead of earnings, tremendous profits they have been done by selling shares at the very top and then reversing to the short side. Okay, so by reversing to the short side, users they maximize the return on investment on the first collapse, that was 48 hours, $17 per share, plus the fact that we said that the share price was going up again, and the share price rallied all the way up to $70. And then we said the share price then is going to collapse, and it collapsed to the $55. That is a price well below the 60. Okay. So in our opinion, since you have this channel in place and the resistance, it is there, there is a lot of room for the share price to get to resistance, and therefore, and this is the trend channel or the uptrend in place. And while the uptrend remains intact, it is always an uptrend, and you should not sell short, obviously, the stock at these prices near $55, as you were informed.